everyone, how you guys all doing? This is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you that I'll be using already poured paints in today's video, and I'll be doing another beautiful spoon swipe flower. So here I am just showing you the colors I'm using, and these are all ready to pour paint. I won't be mixing anything. I'm just going to show you that you can get great result. The consistency in these paint, they leave a mount, but it's not a thick paint where it leaves a mount and a mount. It was a fairly thin paint, but I got great result, and I just wanted to encourage people who want to try this technique that just keep mixing your paint, try the different consistency, see how it works for you. And at the same time, guys, you have to remember to be just a little bit don't be too heavy-handed when you are swiping. This is just one way how I cover my canvas. You can do it whichever way you want. You can pour the paint, use a blow dryer, and spread that base coat on your canvas, okay? Or you can tilt it. This is a small canvas. This is a 8x8, so I was just using a popsicle stick. And of course, you have to make sure your paint spread evenly on the canvas. I'm just spinning it out to create that, keep it even on the canvas. All right, I do hope that you guys will definitely give this one a try. I've used different pouring paints. I've used the Artist Loft pouring paint, and I have also used the Deco Art pouring paint to create beautiful dahlia flowers. I will also link the videos for those paintings in the description below, or you know what, guys, I will actually put it at the end, so you guys do go check it out, where you can actually see that ready pour paints do give you great result. It might not be as the consistency might be a little bit thinner than how I mix it. So when you're swiping, guys, just be light-handed. Don't swipe too deep into the white. Practice doing that. You will find that you will get better results when you just barely swipe your spoon across the paint. Okay, just have fun with it, guys. You know what, here I am just showing you the spoon. It's just a disposable plastic spoon. It's a small, we call it teaspoon. This is a small spoon, right? So just reuse whatever spoon you want. You can actually use any spoon you guys want. Just try, just have fun with it. Okay, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, give this one a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. And if you do decide to give this one a try, remember also to wipe your spoon after each swipe. You don't want to bring the messy paint back. It will definitely muddy your beautiful composition. So make sure you wipe it on a wet napkin, or dry napkin, whatever you choose. Okay, just make sure your spoon is clean after each swipe. Do appreciate you guys checking this one out, and of course stay tuned for the wet result and the dried result. So don't you go away. Thank you.